Looking for the best micro ATX gaming PC case? Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or a tech enthusiast, having the right case is crucial for airflow, cooling, and aesthetics. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best micro ATX gaming PC cases, highlighting their pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Number 5 on our list is the Darkrock A8-M Micro ATX Gaming PC Case. The Darkrock A8-M Micro ATX Gaming PC Case is designed for gaming enthusiasts, content creators, and professionals who demand high-performance hardware and customization options. With its modular design, ample space for components, and enhanced cooling features, this case stands out in the crowded market of gaming PC cases. However, like any product, it has both its strengths and weaknesses. Let's break down the pros and cons of the Darkrock A8-M gaming PC case to help you determine if it's the right choice for your next build. Pros: detachable modular design for flexibility. One of the standout features of the Darkrock A8-M is its modular design. This allows users to easily install, upgrade, or replace components with minimal hassle. The case's flexibility ensures that you can customize your build based on your evolving needs, whether you're adding more storage, improving cooling, or swapping out hardware for better performance. This feature makes it particularly appealing to tech enthusiasts who enjoy frequent upgrades or those building their systems from scratch. Supports 40 series graphics cards. The Darkrock A8-M supports up to 40 series graphics cards, making it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals who rely on high-end graphics processing power. Whether you're a gamer looking to run the latest titles at ultra settings or a video editor tackling 4K projects, the A8-M offers plenty of space and support for powerful GPUs, ensuring that your PC can handle demanding workloads without breaking a sweat. Type-C port ready for modern connectivity. Equipped with a Type-C port, the Darkrock A8-M provides up-to-date connectivity for your modern devices and peripherals. This is particularly important for users who rely on fast data transfer speeds or need to connect multiple devices simultaneously. The Type-C port adds a level of convenience, making it easier to connect newer devices without requiring additional adapters or cables. Excellent airflow and cooling efficiency. The case's design prioritizes airflow, ensuring that your components stay cool even during intense gaming or heavy workloads. This is especially crucial for maintaining the longevity and performance of your hardware. The case comes with 3 pre-installed high-performance fans, which help facilitate optimal airflow and cooling efficiency right out of the box. As a result, you won't need to purchase extra fans immediately, saving both time and money. Cons: limited expansion options for larger builds. Although the Darkrock A8-M supports up to 40 series graphics cards, the micro ATX form factor may limit your options for additional hardware, such as additional storage drives or larger cooling solutions. While it is an excellent case for compact high-performance builds, users looking to create a more expansive workstation or one with multiple storage devices may find the space restrictive. The Darkrock A8-M Micro ATX Gaming PC case is a solid choice for gamers, content creators, and tech enthusiasts who prioritize performance, cooling efficiency, and customization. Its modular design, support for high-end components, and excellent airflow make it ideal for those looking to build a powerful system in a compact space. Number 4 is the Antec NX200 M Micro ATX Gaming PC case. The Antec NX200 M Micro ATX Gaming PC case offers a well-rounded package for gamers and PC builders looking for an affordable yet efficient case for their setup. With a compact micro ATX design, ample expansion options, and decent cooling capabilities, it promises to meet the needs of those who require solid performance and a sleek aesthetic. However, like all products, it comes with its own set of strengths and drawbacks. Here's a detailed breakdown of the Antec NX200 M and its pros and cons. Pros: compact yet spacious design. The NX200M provides ample room for essential components despite its compact micro ATX form factor. The case can support up to a 275mm graphics card, which is perfect for users looking to build a powerful gaming machine without taking up too much desk space. Excellent cooling potential. With the ability to install up to 5 fans and support for a 240 mm liquid cooling radiator in the front, the NX200M is built for efficient airflow and temperature management. The included 120 mm rear fan further ensures proper cooling for high-performance components, making this case suitable for gaming and demanding tasks. Large mesh front panel. The large mesh front panel design not only looks modern and sleek, but also enhances airflow throughout the case. This is a significant benefit for maintaining optimal temperatures, especially when running heavy applications or playing graphic-intensive games. USB 3.0 Connectivity. The USB 3.0 ports in the I/O panel ensure faster data transfer rates, making it easy to quickly connect and transfer files from external drives. This is a key feature for gamers and content creators who need to move large files efficiently. Easy build and expandability. This case supports up to a 240 pm liquid cooler and has room for two 12mm SSDs and two 3.5mm HDDs. This versatility makes it easy for builders to upgrade their PC with extra storage or cooling solutions as their needs grow. The case is also easy to work with, offering a straightforward installation process. Cons. Limited CPU cooler support. Although the case provides adequate cooling options, the 150mm CPU cooler height limit may restrict users from installing larger air coolers. If you're planning on using a high-end bulky CPU cooler, this could pose a challenge, especially for enthusiasts building high-performance systems. The Antec NX200 M microwave gaming PC case offers a great balance of features for gamers and builders looking for a compact yet functional case. Its strong cooling potential, USB 3.3.0 connectivity, and sleek mesh design make it a solid choice for anyone building a mid-range gaming PC or productivity system. Coming in at number 3 is the Thermaltake Versa H18 Micro ATX Gaming PC Case. The Thermaltake Versa H18 Micro ATX Gaming PC case is designed with entry-level gamers and PC builders in mind. With its compact size, stylish design, and thoughtful features, it promises to deliver an excellent balance of performance and aesthetics. Featuring a durable tempered glass side panel, mesh front panel with a built-in blue LED strip, and solid cooling potential, the Versa H18 aims to be a strong contender in the micro ATX case market. But like any product, it has its advantages and limitations. Let's explore the pros and cons of the Thermaltake Versa H18 gaming PC case. Pros. Stylish design with tempered glass and blue LED strip. One of the standout features of the Thermaltake Versa H18 is its modern and stylish design. The case comes with a 4-inch thick tempered glass left panel that provides durability while offering clear visibility of your internal components. The built-in blue LED strip on the front panel adds a visually striking element to your build, making it a perfect choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a sleek and attractive system. Compact Micro ATX Form Factor. The Versa H18 is built with a compact micro ATX form factor, which is ideal for those who want a small yet functional gaming PC. Despite its size, it doesn't compromise on features or performance. This case is perfect for users who have limited space or prefer a more compact setup without sacrificing essential components. Whether you're building your first PC or upgrading an existing one, the small footprint of the Versa H18 ensures that you can build a powerful system without taking up too much room. Excellent cooling potential. Thermaltake has designed the Versa H18 with excellent airflow in mind. The mesh front panel along with the perforated top panel ensures that air can flow freely through the case, helping to keep your components cool during gaming or heavy workloads. Additionally, the case is compatible with AIO liquid cooling solutions up to 204 m or 208 m, providing advanced cooling options for users who need superior thermal performance for their high-end components. Cons. Limited drive base for storage expansion. Though the Versa H18 comes with hidden drive bays for 2.5-inch and two 3.5-inch drives, the limited number of bays may not be sufficient for users who need more storage. If you plan to store a large amount of data or require multiple hard drives, the limited drive bays may be a constraint, especially when compared to larger ATX or full tower cases. The Thermaltake Versa H18 Micro ATX Gaming PC case is a solid choice for entry-level gamers and PC builders looking for a stylish, compact, and well-ventilated case. Number 2 is the Cooler Master Q300L Micro ATX Gaming PC Case. The Cooler Master Q300L Micro ATX Gaming PC case is a versatile and compact case designed to cater to the needs of gamers and PC enthusiasts who want both functionality and aesthetics in their build. This case comes packed with innovative features such as customizable I/O panel positioning, excellent cooling options, and a transparent side panel to show off your build. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. Here's a detailed look at the Cooler Master Q30L in its pros and cons. Pros: versatile cooling options. One of the standout features of the Cooler Master Q300L is its cooling flexibility. It supports a 240-pound liquid cooler as well as up to 5 fans for maximum airflow. This is a great advantage for gamers and PC enthusiasts who require optimal cooling for high-performance components. The open thermal design with perforated panels further ensures that heat dissipation is efficient, keeping your system cool under heavy loads. Modular I/O panel. The modular I/O panel is an innovative feature that allows users to adjust its position, whether you want it at the front, top, or bottom of the case. The flexibility to customize the I/O panel placement ensures you can easily accommodate your workspace or setup preferences. This feature enhances the case's usability and ensures easy access to ports. Spacious interior. The Q300L offers an ample interior space that accommodates micro ATX or mini ITX motherboards. This makes it easy to build and expand your system over time. With enough room for long graphics cards and CPU coolers, it provides plenty of headroom for a variety of components, allowing for future upgrades. Open thermal design and perforated sides. The perforated side panels and open thermal design are key for optimal airflow and cooling performance. The design allows air to circulate through the case from multiple directions, which is essential for cooling the components effectively, especially when under load during gaming or heavy tasks. Cons: restricted airflow for larger radiators. Although the case supports a 240 mm liquid cooler, users looking to install a larger radiator may face some limitations. The compact design, while great for most builds, doesn't leave much room for larger cooling solutions, which could be a concern for users planning on high-performance systems with extensive cooling setups. The Cooler Master Q300L Micro ATX gaming PC case is a strong contender for anyone looking to build a compact and efficient gaming system. With features like the modular I/O panel, ample cooling options, spacious interior, and edge-to-edge transparent panel, it offers great value for gamers and enthusiasts alike. Its ability to accommodate larger components, flexible cooling solutions, and stylish design make it a solid choice for budget-conscious builders. And finally, our number one pick is the Lian Lancool 205mm Micro ATX Gaming PC Case. The Lian Lancool 205mm Micro ATX Gaming PC Case combines sleek design, optimized airflow, and a convenient layout ideal for gamers and PC builders looking for a compact and efficient solution. Offering excellent cooling potential, an attractive tempered glass side panel, and a user-friendly installation process, this case delivers a lot for its size. However, like any product, it does come with some limitations. In this video, we'll look at the pros and cons of the Lian Lancool 205mm mesh case. Pros: optimized airflow and cooling potential. One of the standout features of the Lian Lancool 205mm is its upgraded mesh front panel. Designed to maximize airflow while maintaining a dust-free environment. The front mesh allows for greater ventilation, ensuring that your components stay cool even during heavy use. Additionally, the case comes equipped with magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom, preventing dust buildup and making maintenance easier. This case is also liquid cooling ready, making it ideal for users who want to implement AIO or custom water cooling solutions. Pre-installed RGB LED fans. The Lancool 205mm comes with two 140 MB lighting PW-LED lighting PW LED lighting pre-installed in the front. These fans are not only effective at cooling but also bring dynamic lighting effects to your build. The fans are connected to the motherboard, allowing the lighting effects to sync with the motherboard's RGB settings for a cohesive visual experience. For users who love RGB, this case provides a stylish and customizable lighting solution right out of the box. Tempered glass side panel. The tempered glass side panel of the Lancool 205mm is a great addition, allowing you to showcase your RGB components and internal build. The glass panel provides a clear and elegant view of your setup, while the steel front panel ensures durability and stability. This combination of glass and steel offers a sleek aesthetic without compromising structural integrity. Spacious and flexible layout. Despite being a micro ATX case, the Lancool 205M provides plenty of room for components. It supports both micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards, making it versatile for different system builds. Additionally, the case's mid-tower chassis offers sufficient space for various components, ensuring that you don't feel cramped when assembling your PC. The case also includes removable SSD mounting brackets and a bottom-side PSU and HDV bay, allowing for easy upgrades or modifications without the hassle. Cons: compact size might limit expansion. The Lancool 205mm micro ATX form factor, while compact and space-efficient, may not be suitable for larger builds. Users who wish to install larger graphics cards, multiple hard drives, or oversized cooling solutions may face limitations in terms of available space. This case is ideal for smaller builds or those who don't plan to add a lot of extra components, but users with bigger ambitions for expansion may find it restrictive. The Lian Lancool 205M Mesh Micro ATX Gaming PC case is a great option for gamers and PC builders looking for a compact yet capable case. Its optimized airflow, pre-installed ARG fans, and tempered glass side panel provide both functional and aesthetic benefits, making it a solid choice for building a stylish and efficient system. The professional cable management and flexible layout also make it easy to build and maintain a clean, organized PC.